The Nikon ZR represents a significant step forward in Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals. It combines a high-resolution sensor, rapid autofocus, and impressive low-light capabilities within a compact, lightweight body. With seamless connectivity, users can easily share and transfer images, making the ZR a standout for those who value both performance and portability. Now let's take a closer look at its design and build quality. Built with a robust magnesium alloy frame, the Nikon ZR is both durable and lightweight. Its contoured grip ensures comfort during extended use, while thoughtfully placed buttons and dials allow for intuitive control. The camera's premium finish and meticulous attention to detail enhance its appeal, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting environments. Next, let's delve into its image quality. The Nikon ZR's high-resolution sensor captures intricate details with remarkable clarity. Its wide dynamic range preserves highlights and shadows, and color reproduction remains vibrant and true to life. Advanced noise reduction delivers crisp images, even in low-light situations. Whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors, the ZR consistently produces sharp, visually engaging results. Let's move on to its autofocus and overall responsiveness. Autofocus is a key strength of the Nikon ZR, swiftly locking onto subjects and maintaining accuracy, even with movement or challenging lighting. Burst shooting lets photographers capture multiple frames per second, increasing the chance of getting the perfect shot. Quick startup and minimal shutter lag mean you're always ready for spontaneous moments. Video creators will also benefit from reliable autofocus tracking, which smoothly adjusts as subjects move. Now, let's explore the camera's video capabilities. For content creators, the Nikon ZR offers a range of video options, including high-definition and ultra-high-definition formats for crisp footage. Adjustable frame rates provide creative flexibility, and advanced stabilization helps ensure steady, professional-looking videos. Support for external microphones and headphones allows for improved audio quality and monitoring, making the ZR a versatile tool for high-quality video production. Let's continue by looking at its connectivity and practical features. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, transferring photos and videos or controlling the camera remotely is simple and efficient. The battery life is suitable for casual use, though longer sessions may require extra batteries. Support for high-capacity memory cards ensures ample storage for high-resolution media. These features add to the Nikon ZR's convenience and reliability in everyday use. Next, we'll see how the ZR compares to other cameras in its price range. When compared to other models, the Nikon ZR distinguishes itself with outstanding image quality, responsive autofocus, and an easy-to-use interface. Its compact design is an advantage over bulkier competitors, though some alternatives offer longer battery life or more advanced video features. While the ZR's lens selection continues to grow, some rivals currently provide a wider range of native lenses. Overall, the ZR offers a well-balanced package, though there is room for future enhancements. Let's consider who will benefit most from this camera. Thanks to its strengths in image quality and autofocus, the Nikon ZR is well-suited for enthusiasts and professionals who value reliable performance. Its intuitive controls and sturdy build make it ideal for everyday use, and vloggers will appreciate the compact size and flip-out screen. However, those needing extended battery life, advanced video features, or dual card slots may find certain limitations. The ZR is best for users who prioritize portability and still photography, while those with specialized needs might explore other options. Now, let's wrap up with a summary of the key points. To sum up, the Nikon ZR stands out as a versatile and forward-thinking camera, offering impressive features for both photography enthusiasts and professionals. Its advanced technology and user-friendly design make it a compelling choice in today's market. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the ZR consistently delivers reliable performance and excellent image quality. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with the Nikon ZR in the comments below.